Warmest greeting from Indonesia. My name is Didi Sukiyadi. I come from Indonesia University of Education. I'm impressed with the reputation of Kyung-hee University, which is one of the best universities in Korea. And my purpose of visit here is to establish more cooperation with Kyung-hee Cyber University. As we know, in Indonesia, we are now having so many people who are interested in knowing more about Korean culture, knowing more about Korean language. So the government of Indonesia has included Korean language as part of a subject in our senior high school. So it has become a subject to teach in senior high schools, and also one of the extracurricular subjects that are offered in many senior high schools in Indonesia. So looking at that situation, the need of teachers, especially Korean language teachers, is quite clear. So Indonesia University of Education is planning to establish a Korean language education department that the main objective is to produce qualified Korean language educators who will be teaching in senior high school in all over parts of Indonesia. We are happy to be able to come here, because with our coming here, we want to create not only traditional way of teaching language, but also the most high tech teaching and learning process, which I think will be more efficient. This is through what we call cyber instruction or cyber learning. It is a new system because in Indonesia we have only what we call the open university, and I think the system of teaching and learning process can also be applied in our department in the future. So we are looking for the possibilities of being able to adopt this system to be applied in our instruction system in Indonesia. We have talked with Korean International Cooperation Agency in Jakarta. We have also talked with the Korean Embassy in Jakarta. We have met His Excellency, the Ambassador of Korea in Jakarta, and he is quite supportive in our plan of establishing Korean language education department in UPI. So we are very keen on establishing the department, and we are also keen on cooperating more and more with Kyung-hee Cyber University. We have also a plan that in the future we have to have a local Korean language teacher who will be teaching in our university, and we have also talked with Korean Embassy in Jakarta that in the future we will be allocated one position for scholarships. So if we have an alumnus who is interested in learning Korean studies, and it will be financed by the Korean Embassy in Jakarta through scholarship that has been going on at this time. So I hope that someday we can send the prospective faculty staff to study here in Kyung-hee University, especially for studying about whether Korean studies, Korean education, or Korean linguistics, or Korean language in general. So we have so many plans, and hopefully we can also send staff of our university to come here to Kyung-hee. and I will be glad if Kyung Hee can also provide what we call U-to-U scholarship to our staff or to our prospective staff, because we cannot rely on help from our Korean friends. We have Korea Foundation who will supply one visiting professor to teach in our university, and we have also some Korean colleagues who will be teaching in our university. So at the moment we have around 3 Korean language teachers, 1 from our country and 2 from our Korean friends. But we need more. We need at least 3 more teachers to be able to establish the department. But in 10 years, in my plan, we should be able to be independent. We have to have our own teachers. So to get at least 6 or 7 teachers from our local staff, local faculty members from Indonesia, we have to have a plan. We have to send at least, let's say, 2 graduates of our university to study for masters here in Korea, and then when they have finished their master's program, they can come back to our country, and then they will be recruited as our full-time staff as a civil servant. Thank you.